guys, and welcome back to my little sewing studio where I turn my fashion ideas into reality. I've been gone for a minute, and the reason for that is pretty selfish. See, where I come from, our summer is very short-lived, and the rest of the year it is freezing here. So every summer season, aside from my full-time job, which has also picked up, I try to soak up every last little ray of sunshine. This year, I have been sewing a lot more than I usually do, and I intend on sewing some more. But my motivation doesn't always stay on 24/7. Not for sewing, not for anything. Even when I'm into my workout routines, I like to take breaks because I feel like a person should have some fun in their life, and while discipline is good, you should take some time for yourselves. And if you don't feel like doing something, whatever you come up with, it just isn't going to be as good as it could be. So that's what I did. I took a month just for myself. It was a personal month of joy and sunshine, laughter, family, friends, and all that good stuff. Plus I had some health concerns lately, but not to worry, I've just gotten a clean bill of health, so all is well. As we are moving into the fall season, I have so many ideas as to what I'm going to be making. I want to make these wide bottom jeans. I want to make some fall season sort of clothes like skirts and maybe some leather pieces. Halloween is coming up, so we are going to be making some costumes together. So I'm really excited to show you guys what else I've got in this little head of mine. And without further ado, let's see what I came up with for that last little bit of summer. I sort of made an outfit that I can still wear to the beach if the weather allows for it. But there's a way to also convert it into a more fall look. So stay tuned and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about, and I'll see you again very soon. The fabrics that I chose for this project are ivory lace, ivory mesh, and ivory tricot to go underneath my outfit. I've cut out some casing strips that are 1 1/8 of an inch wide. Here is a better look at the lace I'm working with. I have cut it in 3 panels, wider at the bottom. I am going to stitch them together at the sides and set them aside for now. For my waistband, I've cut out a 2 1/2 inch wide strip out of the tricot and the same strip from the lace that I'm going to put on top. I've made this simple leotard, however, I really didn't like how it looked, so I'm going to convert it into a tube top and high-waisted bottoms to go underneath this outfit. I am going to stitch my lace panels at the seams and serge everything neatly. I'm going to gather the waist so that I can start attaching my waistband. I want this skirt to have a bit of fullness, which is why I'm gathering it here. Once my waistband is attached, I'm going to use a wide 1-inch elastic band. I'm trying it on for size before I proceed to feed it into my waistband. In order to insert the elastic band into my waistband, I'm going to use a safety pin and feed it through. Here's the high-waisted underwear I made from the leotard that I didn't like. And now I'm just going to make a tube top by attaching a 1/4 inch elastic band on top and bottom of the lace that I've cut out. I pull onto the elastic band as I stitch it into the lace so that when I let go, it gathers into a nice, frilly-looking tube top. Then I'm just going to make 1 more stitch at the center back, and now the set is ready for me to demonstrate. I hope you liked this easy project I made, and I can't wait to make more garments in the fall season. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. I think someone just stole my bike.